Hello traders, it's almost 11 o'clock a.m. The market's been open for an hour and a half, and this is kind of the sweet spot. I like to use the trade ideas races here. These are all ideas that are coming to me in real time. This is a top 10 watch list. I had no idea last night what these names would be, but this is the time of day as I go through and I start to look at some of these charts. And right off the bat, this AUPH is on this list. And what I noticed about it is it had a pretty good gap up on big volume, and a lot of people chased it up here on the open. What I like to do is wait for the noise to kind of just settle in, fill the gap a little bit, and then pick up this moving average, this 10 period moving average. So a trade here at 841 right off this moving average. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on pause and we'll see how this trade evolves throughout the day. AUPH derived from the trade ideas races. Again, I had no idea this was going to be a setup until around 11 a.m. when I start to look for these setups. So we'll put this on pause and see what happens. All right, following up on the AUPH entry, we can see that this was a solid entry down here. This is my favorite play. It's only been less than an hour since the original entry, and you can see this is a good problem to have. This is what we call managing a winner. So just to recap, using the trade ideas races to find the top ideas around 11 a.m. Eastern, I start looking for pullbacks into the 10 SMA on my 15-minute chart. These are some pretty good no-risk entries. Do they work every time? No. But when they do work, they work great. And when they don't work, the risk is very small, paper cuts. All right, good luck to you. And if you haven't tried this, you really should be trying it because you're missing out. Only Trade Ideas has it.